Hey guys, Mr.III here, and welcome back to Let's Make Some Money. And this is episode 5. So of course we're using M1 Finance, and if you're new to the stock market game, here's a free $10 code. Looking to make some new friends with that. But alright, and the big thing, our portfolio, which doing pretty good. And this week we did hit our peak of $349.29, which is pretty nice. Alright, so yeah, this week's video is a Sunday edition. I decided to watch our astronauts getting launched into space. That was actually a pretty cool thing, and today they docked into that space station, which is pretty neat. And then, after the large events happening everywhere, you can see over here in Columbus, same things with the protesters and riots. We've seen some better days, but don't want to bore you with news, and I didn't do too much research here since I really don't know what you guys really want. But yeah, just leave that in the comments what I should add to the channel and keep this thing rolling. But looking at our profile here, let me show you our gains of the week. And of course, I love this energy transfer one. And these are the top ones. I was thinking maybe I could do top 10 of each week and show you guys comparison to what stays in the top 10, if that's helpful for you or not. And the same thing for things that are in the bottom. So yeah, you'd avoid these and you'd purchase these, and I'll just do a quick little scroll for you guys that just want to see what's in my portfolio. Alright, so that's how the stocks look. My plans are actually, since I'm so happy with this profile, I'm going to invest some money tomorrow. I don't know if the stock market is going to go down, or is this like a slight curve. We did have our ups and downs, but I just have this lucky feeling inside, and of course you guys do your own choices. We're all here to learn and play this fun game. And I will have coming up shortly a little experiment using Robinhood on some high dividend stocks and see if I can make a risky profit. Alright, well, thanks again for tuning in to episode 5 this week, and see you guys next week. Let's make some money.